Watching are real JAMB questions on use of English. What you're looking at are real questions from JAMB in use of English. Of course, you know use of English is a compulsory subject. It's not like chemistry, physics, economics, commerce, accounts that you can choose. So every one of you will be writing use of English. Also, you'll be in use of English. You also be writing the novel Lucky Headmaster. Okay, in this video we are continuing. What you are watching here is part 5. We have done part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. This is a series on use of English because my goal is to ensure that all of you following us on YouTube must score at least 300 plus, at least 300 in your JAMB. At least 300 in your JAMB. Do you claim it? If you claim it, let me know. So in this video, we are continuing our question and answer review of possible questions that you should expect in use of English subject. Also, if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to give you a gift that will help you to pass. That gift is a gift of JAMB syllables and JAMB past questions free of charge. I'll give it to you on the 4 subjects we'll be writing. So if you watch this video from now to the end, you will qualify to receive my gift. While we are on it, let's start. We are continuing from question 37. Remember to go over and watch question part 1 to 4. If you also need part 6, 7, 8, you let me know. All the parts, if you need all the parts we have done on use of English, you let me know, right? Okay, question 37. Remember, we're talking about synonyms. Synonyms are words that are similar in meaning, or what we normally call nearest in meaning. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the word in capital letter. 37. The doctor diagnosed the tumor as malignant. The doctor diagnosed the tumor as malignant. A, deadly. B, painful. C, trouble. D, minor. The answer is deadly. Deadly. 38. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the word in capital letter. It soon became obvious that a confrontation was inevitable. Inevitable. So, what is inevitable? A, disastrous. B, unavoidable. C, desirable. D, imminent. That a confrontation was unavoidable. Something inevitable is something unavoidable. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the word in capital letter. The police announced that they were yet to apprehend the criminals. Which word among the options is nearest in meaning to apprehend? The police announced that they were yet to apprehend the criminals. A, interrogate. B, charge. C, arrest. D, prosecute. Which one is nearest in meaning to apprehend? The answer is arrest. You either use arrest or use apprehend. Remember, we are still solving synonyms, similar in meaning or nearest in meaning. Are you following? Remember to claim that you will score above 300 in this coming JAMB. I want you to claim it and work towards it. Okay? 40. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the word in capital letter. He is easily recognizable because of a conspicuous birthmark on his face. He is easily recognizable because of a conspicuous birthmark on his face. A, dark birthmark. B, beautiful. C, prominent. D, natural. The answer is prominent. Something that is very, very noticeable. Is conspicuous, is prominent. A prominent person is conspicuous. Anything that is prominence is noticeable. Okay? Are you still following? Remember to watch the other parts. What we are watching now is part 5. We still have part 6, part 7, and other parts. We still have part 1, 2, 3, 4 before you get to this part 5. All of them are centered on what? In use of English. We have also done questions, answers on other subjects. You can ask me to give you links to them and I'll give them to you. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the word in capital letter. A, there are some drugs that could exacerbate a particular illness. There are some drugs that can exacerbate a particular illness. Which word among the four options is similar in meaning to exacerbate? A. Heal. B. Ameliorate. C. Worsen. D. Detect. The answer is worsen. To exacerbate something means to worsen it. Are you following? To exacerbate means to make something worse. Okay, let's look at questions 42. Appropriate option for past question. Okay, so just choose the word from the option, the word that completes the dash. I cannot concentrate. Here is too much. A. Distraction. B. A. Detraction. B. Distraction. C. Pupil. D. Sound. The answer is here is too much distraction. Distraction makes you not to concentrate. So you, in this kind of question, you check how which one among the four options that fits into the sentence. Bus dash are going to increase, so commuters are worried. A. Bus dash are going to increase, so commuters are worried. Those are enter bus. Bus dash are going to. A. Bus rates, bus fees are going to increase. B. Bus rates. C. Bus bills. D. Bus fares. It is bus fares. Fares. That is why you say transport fare. You don't say transport fee, and you say school fee. You don't say school fare. Do you get? Okay. Chinese dash met foreign office officials in London. Chinese dash met foreign office officials in London. A. Console. B. Cancel. C. Cancel. D. Consul. The answer is D. Consul. We now have what we call consul general and all the rest, the representative of a country in another country. Okay. His belief that he could do this is his dash. His belief that he could do this is his dash. A. Allusion. B. Illusion. D. Delusion. C. Depict. The answer is delusion. Somebody that is thinking what is not real, right? Okay. Like if you are believing you will score 300 plus in your JAMB and you are not reading, it's delusion. If you believe that you will register for your JAMB, you have not even been following the videos we are doing, you don't know the documents, and you are still thinking you will get admission, it's delusional. You don't know what you are talking. So the answer is C. Delusion. Which one of these is a correct spelling? A. Reconnaissance. Almost all of them are the same. Reconnaissance. Reconnaissance. Let's just go to the correct spelling. The correct spelling is B. Reconnasance. Reconnasance. There is something I've taught you about strange words. Any word that is strange to you, that is difficult for you, you have not met the word before. Many people will see the word and jump and pass, but no. In our channel, we don't do that here. Whenever we see a foreign word, a strange word, what do? We move direct to a dictionary in your phone, in your laptop, or a physical dictionary and check the meaning. So I want to give you that is watching this now, not others. So I want you to go to your dictionary now and find out the meaning of this word. Then come under the comment and tell me the meaning of this word. Be the first to do that. Reconnasance. Check. Just write this word in capital letter and tell me what it means. This is part of our learning. You know, I am seriously preparing you to score at least 300 in your JAMB. This same seriousness we are giving to Lekki Headmaster, we are giving to use of English. I want you to also extend it to your other subjects. All right? Okay, let's look at question number 47. The instruction here is antonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms are words that are opposite in meaning. I've talked about it before. Synonyms are similar in meaning or nearest in meaning. Antonyms are opposite in meaning. Okay, 47. Choose the option opposite in meaning to the word or phrase underlined. A. The minister was accused of making utterances that could increase rather than dash anxiety among the citizenry. The minister was accused of making utterances that could increase rather than dash anxiety among the citizenry. So the word opposite the meaning to increase is A. Modify, B. Diminish, C. Intensify, D. Remove. The opposite meaning of increase is diminish. You can say reduce or diminish. 48. Choose the option opposite in meaning to the word or phrase underlined. A. At the end of the crisis, the leader declared that there was no victor and no A. Opposite of victor, A. Winner, B. Rebel, C. Patriots, D. Vanquished. Opposite of victor is vanquished. No victor, no vanquished. That is what was said after the Nigeria-Biafran War. Do you know when the war happened? It took place within 3 years. I want to give you another assignment. Go over the comment section and tell me the year that the Nigeria-Biafran War happened. From which year to which year. Don't forget, we are learning together. Especially that particular assignment is especially for the art students. Tell me the answer. Even if you are science, I beg, don't jump and pass. Choose the option opposite in meaning to the word or phrase underlined. A. I was impressed by the man's eagerness, but was rather put off by his wife's A. Anxiety, B. Impatience, D. C. Indifference, D. Negligence. The answer is indifference. The wife wasn't really caring. He was indifferent. Choose the option opposite in meaning to the word or phrase underlined. A. He is a famous artist but has a dash drinking habit. He is a famous artist but has a dash drinking habit. A. Remarkable. B. Admirable. C. Notorious. D. Wicked. The answer is wicked. The answer is notorious. Notorious. Remember, as we are reading, whenever we encounter any word you do not understand, go over and check their meaning. Also, if you continue watching this video and watch it to the end, I'm going to give you free, you will not pay. Free JAMB syllables, free past question. If you also need Lucky Headmaster, you can tell me at the end of this video. Okay, choose the option opposite in meaning to the word or phrase underlined. A. The first one is so vain and the second so dash that one would think they were not brothers. The first one is so vain and the second is so dash that one could think they were not brothers. A. Proud. B. Complacent. C. Selfish. D. Humble. The answer should be humble. I think so. Okay, let's go to question 52. This one is about stress. Choose the question to which the given sentence is the appropriate answer with the emphatic stressed. Choose the question. So I want you to pay attention. This one can be very tricky. Question 52. Mary loves brown shoes. Which one is the emphasis? Mary. A. What color of shoes does Mary love? Does Mary hate brown shoes? Who loves brown shoes? Does Mary love brown shoes? The answer is what? C. Who loves brown shoes? Then the emphasis is in Mary to ensure that you understand the particular person. So you don't carry somebody's shoe to another person. Choose the question to which the given sentence is the appropriate answer to the emphatic stressed. It rained all day yesterday. The emphasis is all. That is throughout the day. It rained all day yesterday. The emphasis is all. A. For how long did it rain yesterday? For how long did it rain yesterday? B. When did it rain all day? C. Was it dry all day yesterday? Did it rain all day yesterday? The answer should be A. How long did it rain yesterday? You will now say it rained all day yesterday. Choose the word that contains the sound represented by the phonetics. You can say the U phonetics: pool, look, flood, crude. The answer is look. Look. Choose the word that contains the sound. This phonetics now. Choose the word that contains the sound represented by the phonetic sound J. Jam, George, gauge, yam. Okay. Rhyme. Let's look at. Choose the word that rhymes with the given word. Roam, from, come, home, loan. The answer should be home. Roam and home rhymes together. Are you with me? Choose the word that rhymes with the given word. Bo, thought, do, lo, how, bar. The answer is how, D. I'm not really an expert here. Choose the word that rhymes with the given word. Rain, frighten, no. Frame, no. Feign, many. The answer is feign. Rain and feign, they rhyme together. Choose the word that rhymes with the given word. Night. We have knife, sight, not, scent is B. Sight, night, sight, night. Okay. Are you still with me? Choose the word that rhymes with the given word. Gear, jeep, gear, judge, beer, gear, gear is B. Okay, so these are all the questions in this part. Remember that in part 6 we'll continue. If you need all the parts we have done, you let me know. If you need all the question and answer and chapter by chapter reading and review we have done on the book Lucky Headmaster, you let me know. If you need all the things we have done on economics on all that subject, you let me know. If there is any other subject you want me to do this kind of videos for, past question and answer, possible question, also let me know. For you to receive free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question, what you simply do is like this video, join our YouTube channel. You can see the option to join. Click on join and join. Then like this video, share this video, very important. Like, share, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Like, join our YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then if you want to receive those things, when you subscribe, when you have liked, shared and subscribed, come under the comment of this video and tell me I have subscribed. But then you must have done the 2 assignments I gave you, the word and the war. When the war happened and that word. If you do those 2 assignments, then subscribe, then come and tell me I have subscribed. Once I see you tell me I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send those materials onto you. Click on the video on the screen and watch it now.